Hello students, welcome to my channel eVidya Online Classes. Please like my video and subscribe my channel to get more updates. Now in this presentation, we will learn how to give drawing exam through online assessment using Campus Care app in your mobile. So first of all, you have to open Campus Care app in your mobile. As you see the Campus Care app, the circle part, you have to tap on this app. As you will open the Campus Care app, you have to sign in with your user ID and password. After signing in with your user ID and password, the Campus Care home page will open, where you are getting your homework, your circular. In that page only, at the down, you will see assessment option is there. See the arrow mark showing the assessment option. So you have to tap on assessment option, not in online exam. So tap on the assessment option shown by the arrow mark. As you will tap on the assessment option, the page will open that will be online test review as you see in the image. List of examination will be there. So at the top will be your drawing exam with date mentioned and the timing. What you have to do, you have to tap on details option shown by the arrow mark to download your drawing exam question paper. After tapping on details, your drawing question paper will be downloaded in PDF form. As you see in the image, the file is downloading. Okay. Now you see the right side, the question paper is downloaded. This question paper is of class 1. So here you will see the image, the question paper is there and the question is there. Draw and color any one of the following: duck or car. This is of one. Your question will vary according to your classes. So now what you have to do, you have to take A4 size paper, any sheet you can take, plain A4 sheet paper. You have to write first your name, class, roll number, admission number and heading on which topic you want to draw. Okay. After that, you have to draw your drawing and nicely color it. After drawing your drawing in the A4 sheet, if you want, you can take in advance the picture of your drawing sheet. Now we will learn how to upload our drawing image. So what to do? We have to go again back to home page. Again we have to choose assessment option. As you see the circle part, assessment. Again online test review page will open. Now here we have to keep in mind, we have to tap on upload option shown by the arrow mark. So we have to tap on upload because now we will upload our drawing image. Now as you will tap on upload option, upload page will open. See in the picture it is showing. Now what you have to do, you have to tap on upload option here also shown by the arrow mark. As in the image it is shown. After that, again the page will open, the right side you see, and the option will come. Choose one. Camera, gallery. If you want, you can choose camera also, means at that time also you can take the image of your drawing, what you have drawn, or from the gallery, from the phone gallery which you have taken previously, from there also you can choose. So option is yours, camera or gallery, you have to choose. Suppose you are choosing gallery, so what you have to do, on the gallery you have to tap. From your mobile gallery option, you have to select your drawing image. Okay, as you see, I have selected from the mobile gallery. Now what we have to do, we have to crop the unwanted part of the image. So we will crop it. We will tap on the crop shown by the arrow mark. The image will be cropped. After cropping, the image which you have selected will appear on uploading page. Now you see here, online assessment uploading page is there. Now you see the image which I cropped, the car image is shown there, and the two option is coming, upload and delete. Okay, if you want to delete the image, you can delete it. If you don't want to delete your image, you have to upload this image only. Then what we have to do, we have to tap on upload option. Okay, shown by the arrow mark, upload. So we'll tap on the upload option. Now you see this page will open, the right side. Success option will appear. Now you see here the circle part, success option is there. After that we have to tap on done option shown by the arrow mark. Okay, now after doing done, your drawing image will be uploaded successfully. Now one thing you have to keep in your mind, after tapping on done option, you will not be able to upload your images again. So means after doing done, your image, your drawing image is uploaded successfully. As you can see, success is also written there. Then also, if you have any doubt whether your image is uploaded successfully or not, you can check also. Now how to check? So to check that your drawing image is uploaded successfully or not, again you have to open online test review page by tapping on assessment. Okay, what you have to do, you have to tap on view option. Okay, so you know, as we can see, before before we have not uploaded the image, upload option was coming. Now the upload option is changed into view. Okay, so here you can see view option is there. So we have to tap on view option. As we will tap on view, the uploaded drawing sheet image will open. Now see, this is the uploaded page which your teacher will see and give the marks accordingly. So this was how you can give your drawing examination through online assessment using your Campus Care app in your mobile. Thank you for watching my presentation. Please like my video and subscribe my channel.